decided to design a small opticians with a gallery area within it, so I started to make some concept models. This one cuts through the room. It came from the distance a person would stand from the letterboard when getting your eyes tested. The same principle, but perhaps gallery displays at the end. This one is relating to optical illusion. The patterns form into the walls from the floor. Here I sit between the lines, came from my animation. I have cut into the floor and the walls. And this is a pattern. These are patterns formed from skewing the floor plans. And this is a movable board reflecting light into the basement, and I have combined these ideas together and formed my final design. This is my final design. As you can see, I have cut out the left wall and it's now a window seat. I've cut into the floor, which forms a staircase, which also provides enough space to fit an elevator. Taking the idea of the long and narrow partings, I have extended the rear of the building for a small viewing area into the River Air and extended the basement for an optician's room. Here at the front of the building are the movable boards which reflect light into the basement and pass through onto the ground floor too. Light is an important part in this design, as it is also what allows us to see, relating back to the basis of my project. These two concepts have now been intertwined, and so I've decided to take the window areas of my design and the boards and fit the skewed ground plan onto them, allowing their shadows to move around the space. And this is how I did it. For the ground plan, I took all the window shapes, and then this is half of the board and the back window and the sides of these windows here, and drew this pattern here onto them, and then I've cut them out and stuck them onto the windows, or cut them out of the boards. And then I've done the same with the basement. The glass part of the basement here and the bottom part of the boards. I've cut them out and made the patterns for that. This is my beautiful piece, which is just basically the atmospheric of the building, which will, in the dark, in the shadows of the piece, you can show what it'll be like to be inside the building, give the atmosphere. This is my orthographic drawing. When I was drawing the next piece, it seemed to be redrawing the same one, so I think that I was supposed to start with this, so I've just done the plan next to it. This is my axonometric drawing. The design layout is basically the ground floor will be the gallery space, the back extension will be a viewing area, then there's obviously the cut out staircase, and then the elevator will just be here, and this is the entrance. So the front of the building's kept the way it is, the same as it is now. The basement, the extension will be the optician room, with obviously the daylight will be entering from the glass roof, and then this will be the shop and the reception. The toilets will be fitted underneath the staircase, so the ceilings will kind of drop like stairs inside. And then this is the front where the light will be coming through, and so the shapes will be made on the light visual. What else was there? And then the materials that I was looking at using were like a steel framework, so lightweight steel frame panels, clay plaster and render, and polyolefin flooring and cement. These are just all the possibilities that I've looked at. I think that's it. Bye.